Dogs are crazy. Look. They're insane. I'm not going to run insane. It's just like they just keep fighting. Reese's. Keep like fighting. That's their hot dog. That's the burger. Right there. You can barely see. Since the internet's bad here. My dogs keep fighting. Insane how they're fighting so much. Right to start. When Matt steals the burger, it goes insane. No, it might not, because when I show something that like doesn't work, I don't know why, but it will work. Matt! Rocket! Where's Max? Max! Come here. Oh no, here it comes. Yeah, Rocket Green. What is he? Don't end up dying. I don't even care anymore at this point. Rocket, come here. Hello. Okay, I'm sorry, please. I don't know. What do you want? I'm not coming in. I'm not back. Just also look at the view on this. You can probably can't see on here. It's insane. It's just insane. And over there. I don't want to show it because my neighbors might think I'm video them. It's insane.